children, welcome to our EuroKids Puri online classroom. I am your Shilpi Miss. So children, let's start our today's activity, and today we are going to learn SL word. So children, in our previous classes we have learned the SL word, and today we are going to review all those SL words. So children, let's quickly have review of SL word. So our first SL word is S-L-A-B, slab. S-L-A-B, slab. So children, now we will look our next SL word, and that is your S-L-I-M, slim. S-L-I-M, slim. Look here, the boy is slim. And children, now we will look our next SL word, and that is your S-L-I-P, slip. S-L-I-P, slip. So children, look here, the boy has slipped. And children, now we will look our next SL word, and our next SL word is S-L-O-W, slow. S-L-O-W, slow. And children, we know that tortoise is slow. So children, all these are your SL words, and what you have to do? You have to learn all these SL words with their spelling. And children, you have to make the writing practice of these words also. So children, now what we will do? We will move towards our next activity, and in our next activity we are going to learn numbers from 141 to 150. So children, let us look the numbers. So 141, 141. Our next number is 142, 142. Children, you have to repeat the numbers with me while I am saying 143, 143. 144, 144. 145, 145. 146, 146. 147, 147. 148, 148. 149, 149. 150, 150. So children, you have to learn these numbers from 141 to 150, and you have to make the writing practice of these numbers also. And children, now we will move towards our next activity, and in our next activity we are going to learn about our planet Earth. So children, what we are going to learn today? We are going to learn about our planet Earth. So children, tell me, what is the name of our planet? Our planet name is Earth. Our planet name is Earth, and today we will learn about our planet Earth. So children, we all live on a small blue planet named Earth. So let us look the picture of Earth. So look here children, this is the picture of Earth, and the green part are the land part, and this blue part shows the water. Okay children, so this is our Earth. This is the picture of Earth, and our planet name is Earth. So children, we live on Earth with all familiar objects around us, and with the vast sky above us and the deep oceans beneath. So children, we live on our planet Earth, and our home planet Earth is quite large. So children, our Earth planet is very large, and we all have enough space for our living. So children, on the Earth there are various landforms are there. We already they? The landforms are mountains, rivers, forests, seas, oceans, valleys, plains, plateaus and many more. So children, on our earth you will find these types of landforms, and children, there are many types of living beings, living animals and other organisms. They also live on earth. And children, do you know our planet earth has water? So children, on the earth we found water. So what is the name of our planet? Our planet name is Earth, and Earth is a very big planet, and Earth has water on it, and we all living beings, including plants, other animals and we human beings live on Earth. Okay children, so you have to learn our planet's name Earth. So children, now we will move towards our next activity. तो बच्चों, अब हम क्या करेंगे? अब हम हिंदी पढ़ेंगे। तो सभी बच्चे अपनी हिंदी की किताब आओ मात्रा मिलाएं निकालेंगे। तो बच्चों, मैंने तो अपनी हिंदी की किताब निकाल ली है और हम खोलेंगे इसकी पृष्ठ संख्या 11। तो बच्चों, पृष्ठ संख्या यहाँ लिखी हुई है 11। तो सभी बच्चे अपने पृष्ठ संख्या 11 को खोलेंगे। तो बच्चों, इस पृष्ठ पर हमें क्या करना है? आ की मात्रा लगाकर शब्द बनाइए। तो बच्चों, यहाँ पर हमें अक्षर दिया गया है म में आ की मात्रा लगाने से होगा माँ। मानव, माला, मामा, माता। तो बच्चों, म में आ की मात्रा लगाने से ये 4 शब्द बनते हैं। फिर हमारा अक्षर है क, और क में आ की मात्रा लगाने से हमें मिलेगा का। तो बच्चों, का से ये सभी शब्द बनते हैं काला, काम, कान, कार। तो बच्चों, हमारा अगला अक्षर है न, और न में आ की मात्रा मिलाने से बनता है ना। तो बच्चों, ना से ये सारे शब्द यहाँ पर बनते हैं नाक, नाना, नाम, नाव। तो बच्चों, इस तरीके से आपको इन अक्षरों में आ की मात्रा लगाकर इन शब्दों को पूरा करना है। और बच्चों, यहाँ पर नीचे भी हमें करना है ये। तो हमें क्या करना है बच्चों? दिए गए शब्दों से रिक्त स्थान भरिए। तो बच्चों, यहाँ पर शब्द दिए गए हैं, तो हम इन रिक्त स्थानों की पूर्ति करेंगे। अकबर, ये क्या है बच्चों? माला। अकबर माला पहनकर चल। हमारा दूसरा वाक्य है घर आकर खाना खा। रजत गाजर खा। ये क्या है बच्चों? बाजा। तो हमारा चौथा वाक्य बनेगा बाजा बजाकर नाच। हमारा पांचवा वाक्य है अजय नाव चला। हमारा पांचवा वाक्य है अजय नाव चला। तो बच्चों, इस तरीके से आपको इस पृष्ठ को पूरा करना है, और इन वाक्यों को पूरा करने के बाद आपको इन वाक्यों को पढ़कर इनका अभ्यास भी करना है। तो बच्चों, हम मिलेंगे आपकी अगली कक्षा में। बाय बाय बच्चों।